Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. It is apparent that I'm here at the Flax Art Store here in Oakland, California, but while I'm here waiting for my ride, a certain group of people have been known to let their smoke detectors just go off for months and weeks and years at a time. Or years and years, maybe months and months, or maybe days and days, but I can't stand a smoke detector going off for more than 24 hours. But I'm gonna take you over to these apartments. I want you to listen real close. There's at least 2 smoke detectors, maybe 3 that are going off. So listen with your ears, you just heard it. I'm gonna walk over here to these apartments. There's 2 smoke detectors. But listen, I'm just gonna turn the camera that way. Hopefully you can hear it. Over the freeway and the helicopters. Listen close, I'll be quiet. So there's a car pulling in now, but you heard it twice. To be continued. Okay, I'm gonna act like I'm filming this mural. Listen for the smoke detector beep. There it is. There it is. Okay, you heard it one last time. 2 smoke detectors. That would drive me crazy to have smoke detectors going off like that right next door to me. I don't know how they do it, but they do it right here in downtown Oakland, California. I'll get out of the way. This guy's getting ready to leave. Flax Art and Design. Smoke detectors are going off. What's this world coming to? It's just one battery. I'm telling you, one battery. Where's the maintenance guy at? Okay, well, I'm not going to bore you with more smoke detector beeps. Now it's all about just waiting for my ride. There's the smoke detector beep. So there is 2 beeps to be had here. And now the wind is going to mess with my audio. There's 1 beep. So I will tell you every time I hear a beep, as I do a 360 around beautiful Oakland, California. Beep. I just heard a beep. Followed by one more beep. Okay, there's another beep. Okay, I'm gonna be done for this video. It's just too loud around here. No wonder they can't hear the smoke detectors. There's the fire department right on cue. I wonder if they're gonna go check fire and smoke detectors. Beep, another beep right there. Well, as always, I want to thank you again for coming along with me on these smoke detector adventures. Okay, there it is. Time to go. Beep out. Postscript. Well, after further analysis, there are 3 smoke detectors going off. So at some point Is it just the neighbors screwing with each other? I'm hearing 3 smoke detectors going off. So it has to be neighbor saying, I'm not going to change my battery until my neighbor changes his battery. So it's a standoff. With all this noise, no wonder they can't hear 3 different smoke detectors going off.